Welcome to my channel World Talks Food Walks. Don't forget to subscribe. Today we are going to talk about aura cleansing. I read a very nice article. Let me share those useful information with all of you. Let me also ask you the same questions what I encountered while reading this article. Do you feel irritated? Do you feel exhausted? More than your body, mind feels exhausted, right? Are you not able to sleep properly no matter what you do? Then it's the time for you to clean your aura. That's right, aura. Now, you may ask me, what is aura? Aura is the energy field that surrounds your body. Aura picks up on emotions, health, and circumstances around you. Your aura can experience stress as you exchange energies with those around you, which is exactly why you need to clean your aura. Now, you will ask me, how do you know the aura is stressed and needs cleaning? Aura becomes weak while picking up other people's negative energy, resulting in causing stress. You lose your patience, develop negative thoughts. Sometimes it may also cause the immunity to decline. Let us learn how to clean the aura. Take bath adding any one of the products like rock salt or sea salt, which is available in your kitchen easily. You can also use eucalyptus oil, just about 2 to 3 drops in the water which you are using for bathing. You can also use the lavender essential oil, just about 2 to 3 drops of it in the water which is used for bathing. Any one of this will definitely serve the purpose. You might not use all of them together, any one of them would still give you the same result. So, as you take bath, imagine your negativity escaping your body along with the water washed away. Take a walk in the rain. I can hear you telling me, wow, that's the coolest thing. But remember not to step out when there is thunderstorm, and later don't say you didn't tell me that. Step out when it is raining gently. Let this rain soak you and imagine all the negativity getting washed away with the rain. It's the aura combing exercise. Wash and dry your hands before this powerful aura cleaning exercise. Find a quiet place and start combing the space around with your hands. Start with the top of your head and comb the space around you and go all the way down to the toes. It is important that you constantly visualize your aura getting cleansed. Smudging. Smudging, you can burn the dry rose petals and let the fragrance surround you. Do you remember your grandma making incense with dry rose petals or herbs like thyme or basil so that you stay calm and sleep well as a baby? Really, traditions are made for a reason. Positive affirmation. We all wake up in the morning and sit quietly for at least 10 minutes. Do we do that? Yes, we all do that. Close your eyes, pray to God, and think positive things. Thinking positive things attracts a lot of positive energy. I hope you will definitely try this aura cleansing tips and feel the freshness back in you. Thank you for watching.